Updating your phone number on your Bunq account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Open the Bunq app. Launch the Bunq app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Navigate to the Profile Settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Profile Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to proceed to the Phone Number Update section. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Ensure that you enter the correct number, including the country code, to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in the Bunq system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bunq support for assistance.